Hi guys, and happy Sunday. Today's Sunday, mean the last day of the weekend, the last rest day before the start of the week. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna be, what's today going to be. My head is hurting since yesterday, since you come back from the park. So yeah, didn't have a very good night, but yeah, gotta find the motivation. Like I say, it's the last day, so yeah, we're gonna do something. Let's just see what we're gonna do. Hi
guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing?
You look shy.
Who, me?
Yeah, you look.
Yeah, because normally I don't
today.
used to you bringing the camera to me.
Oh, yeah?
I'm used to having the camera in my hand.
Okay.
So that's two different kind of feeling. That's how you feel when I have the camera on you?
Maybe.
That's Tyler lunch, guys. I just prepared. Babe will have to tell you exactly the name of this, or else I'm gonna crush it. Papa Sue, come, baby. Tell them what Tyler lunch is, honey.
In French, it's called. I think it's called gnocchi. I think this is it. So it's like a pasta potatoes filling. It's very good. This is fish. Okay, and some ketchup, because when Tyler stopped to eat. When Tyler stopped to eat, we have to give him anything with ketchup. At least it makes him
happy.
Yeah, and eat the thing. So if he don't want anymore the pasta, you put ketchup and you eat the pasta with the ketchup.
And there he is. What happened? You want to fix it? Let Papa fix it for you. Say morning, Faves. No. Oh. Okay, Papa not gonna fix it for you if you don't tell Faves morning. Faves gonna fix it for you, but you have to tell them morning.
No, fix it.
Faves is not into you guys this morning. Anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen about to prep some food to cook this week because. Okay, Papa coming to fix it, baby. Go, Papa coming.
Alright.
I'm prepping some food that I need to cook because this week is going to be a long week, and you guys will find out why this week is going to be an extra long week for me. Anyway, you guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh, let me give you guys my morning inspiration talk. Anyway, you guys, I am I'm in the kitchen preparing some food there because this week is gonna be an extra long week for me. I'm working most of this week. I'll be busy, so I need to get some prep done. That way your girl can stay on track and workout resume back this week for me. So I need to be on my A game. It's not looking so beautiful outside. It's hella windy, it's hella cloudy, and I'm sure we're gonna get rain today, so we are staying in today. Yeah, but that's what's up today. Make sure you guys are having an amazing day. Make sure you guys are staying blessed, staying beautiful, staying positive, and staying motivated. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go ahead and finish up all that I'm doing in the kitchen, so you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, I just seasoned this chicken to put into the oven. There it is, and I put a little of my jerk Grace brand seasoning on it. And if you're Jamaican and you know this jerk Grace seasoning, then you know it's hella pepper. I was saying to babe this just now that today is my day. He's gonna have to take a little pepper because most days I don't pepper the food because I have to please him most of the time. Well, today, honey, I'm so sorry, but you shall taste the wrath of my hands today. We shall go real Jamaican today without apologies. Sorry, honey, but I still love you. To cook different pots today so that everybody can be happy. I hate mushroom. I'm not a mushroom fan, but my husband loves mushrooms. So in that case, I'm making these vegetables for him, and I also not a fan of zucchini and he loves zucchini, so these are vegetables that I'm going to do for babe. So this is just babe's pot. This looks really yummy, but no sir, no thank you. I'm not a fan of zucchini, and I am not a fan of mushroom. The only thing in here that I would eat is the peppers and the carrot. That would be about it from this pot for me, but I'm sure babe will appreciate it. You guys, baby's not feeling too 100, so I think he's even sleeping right now. I finished making his veggies for dinner. Now I'm moving on to his lunch, so if he wakes up or he feel a little bit better and want to eat, he can eat. And this is some chicken breast. You guys should know by now that I hate chicken breast. I guess I'm preparing everything that I dislike today. My favorite part of the chicken is the thigh. So when I cook chicken breast, it's definitely not for me. I see some leftovers chicken breast that I'm cutting up real fine that I'm going to use to make some chicken sandwich for babe. So I just cut that up, and babe not too fancy. He doesn't want the onions and the lettuce and the tomato and all that on it. So all I do is just cut up the chicken, put a little mayo, because he's gonna tell you that he wants his mayo. And voila, babe lunch is ready. Yes, all you guys will be doing today is spend the day in the kitchen with moi, cooking, non-stop cooking. Well, it is what it is. Some days it's like that. Some days I just gotta do what I gotta do, okay? So babe veggies finish. Still happy. And there we go. Fish is ready. And there we go. Roast is also ready. My sister has encouraged me to try kale chips. So I'm going to try that for the first time. She said I'm to just put some olive oil and some salt on it. So I'm going to put the salt first and then bake them for 5 minutes. Look at Mama.
Open.
Tell Faith what you're doing.
I'm going to bath.
You haven't said hi all morning. Say hi, Faves.
Dolphin.
Say hi, Faves. No?
Dolphin.
You're just not into them today? You just don't want to say hi? If you ever wake me up. You guys, I still not finished in the kitchen, but I have to go and give Tyler a bath and put him down for a nap. You see, I almost went on the camera. Tyler, I'm not laughing with you. I have to be protecting this camera. Yo, he think it's funny to spray the water on me. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna give him a bath and put him down for a nap so I can get back to what I'm doing. I swear Tyler's gonna wake up the camera.
The bathroom.
Huh?
The hand wet.
Is you wet up my hand? Look, he's telling me about Mama your hand wet. Is you wet up my hand? Isn't it you? Yes? You're tired now? You guys, we went out, but we didn't carry the camera. We had such a beautiful evening out. Oh, I'm just taking off my shoes. We had so much fun, and Tyler had such a good time, and now he's tired. He just wants water to drink. Right? Yes? Tell the Faves what you did.
I'm going out.
You are already in the house. What did we do outside?
No.
What did we do outside just now?
I'm running.
Yeah, you ran.
No, run, Papa.
Yeah, and what else did you do?
Run, Mama.
Yeah, and what else?
Run, Taya.
Yeah.
Run, Buku.
You run buku. He said that he ran a lot. It's true. Babe and I was saying that Tyler seemed like he's gonna be so good at track. What happened? His stomach hurt. He said his stomach is hot. This boy run non-stop running. Come, let Mama rub the stomach for you. Come, let Mama rub your stomach. I don't know what he means when he says his stomach is hot. He's been saying it a lot lately. Maybe it's hurting. But it really does feel
Mama?
hot. Yes, you're
Tablet.
sweating.
Tablet.
No, no more tablet for today.
Phone.
No phone.
What's that?
Yes, the battery is dead.
The book. Tablet, Dad.
Yes, what else you want to tell the faves? What else you want to say? Yes, they already heard that the phone is dead. And look at your cheek. Because you were hiding in the bushes, it looked like the bush touched your face. What is so funny? Look at your cheek. They're so red. Oh my gosh. I hope you're not allergic to any of those bushes that touch you. Look at your cheek. What is wrong with this child? Say excuse me. Say excuse me. Good boy. You're fake laughing. You're a fake laugher. Ow! Right in my mouth. Why Fave's always naughty and you good? And you're the naughty one. Fave's not.
Mama!
Yes?
Maggie!
What?
Maggie!
I am not Maggie. Maggie's on the tablet.
Mama!
Yes?
Mama!
Yes?
Hide the cushion!
No, Mama don't want to hide behind no cushion. Darla! Darla, put it on your face! Darla! You're not funny, naughty. Darla! Darl, you see what he's doing to me? Jesus Christ! Die! He's so funny, he thinks he's hiding me. Oh, you're hiding now? I see you. Where is Darla? Fave's fine, you look.
Mama,
Yes.
Mama. 1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3,
1.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Continue. Oh, you want me to count to 10 to then hide? This boy is so funny. Listen, y'all.
I'm not feeling good.
Babe head's still hurting all day since yesterday, as a matter of fact, and still hurting and still hurting. I guess that's the life of a migraine addict.
Yeah.
Tyler is off to bed and I'm going to bed right now too because I'm tired. I'm just coming out to give you guys a Jamaican expression of today, and that is going to be never too late for a shower or rain.
Never too late for your shower, rain.
Yes.
What I mean?
It is saying that it's never too late for the rain to fall.
No, it's never too late.
Right. Simple means if somebody said, oh, I'm too old to learn how to swim. You're never too old to learn how to swim. Don't say you can't do something no matter how old you are. You see what I mean?
I get it.
Okay, what's the French expression?
Après la pluie, le beau temps.
Okay.
It simply means after the rain. The poetry is an expression to say like when bad things happen, don't worry, a good thing's gonna happen after.
Okay, cool. I like that one. All right, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of the day. You get it?
Make sure to say it.
Yeah.
Don't try to trick me.
Oh my god, I totally forget what it is.
Après la pluie.
Oh, because it have R. Après la pluie,
Le beau temps.
le beau temps.
Right.
Ha 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 ha. Alright, you guys, there you caught me, honey. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it now.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Without headache.
I hope so.